Here, as you can see, this is how your serpentine belt runs. Another day and another fix. Today we're gonna be working on this 2013 Chevy Silverado. To remove the serpentine belt first, let's begin by locating the belt tensioner. Here, as you can see, this is how your serpentine belt runs. And this pulley right here is your belt tensioner. We are gonna be using a 15mm to lose the tension and remove that belt. Now with the serpentine belt out, let's go ahead. Now we're gonna put the serpentine belt back in place. The back of the belt goes under the flat pulleys. The part of the belt, the inside that has some groove, will go only on the pulleys that have those grooves. This is an easy way to keep track on how you are installing your serpentine belt in the right position. Here, get another look on how the belt should be mounted. And just like that, we had replaced the serpentine belt